What's happening? So I thought I'd tell you a little story about from our camping trip. So we were in the Great Basin of Nevada, and we had a nice campsite, and there was a nice little stream that was running by it. And I went over there and took a look at it, and it was really nice. And I said, oh, well, I'm going to go over here and get my camera and get some video of this stream so that I can remember this. Well, I go over there and do that, and all of a sudden I got photobombed. Now, this was pretty wild, and it wasn't Gumby who did that. Nope, it was a hummingbird. So I thought I would share that with y'all, and you can enjoy it. It was a 1 in a million shot, and so here it is. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed that. That's just a little snippet of our camping trip. And this is the Homestead Handyman. And we're going to have some more videos coming up for you. And so y'all have a great day. Homestead Handyman, out.